How to add tables from Google Sheets into Google Slides. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the table you want to transfer from Google Sheets into Google Slides is complete and correct. Now you want to go ahead and highlight the table from Google Sheets. Now go ahead and right click using your mouse. Now you should see different options like this. Head over to copy and tap on it. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Slides, which will bring us to an empty page, and we'll be needing a table present on this page. So head over to insert. Now you want to scroll down to where you see tables, and over here you are going to select how many tables you would like. Now you want to select exactly the same amount with what is on your Google Sheets. And guys, after selecting on how many tables you need, you will notice that this is what is on your screen. Now you want to right click and then go ahead and tap on paste. And as you can see, these are the details we have from our Google Sheets, and now they are on our Google Slides. Now this is exactly how to add table from Google Sheets into Google Slide. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.